Well, all right, so we had something else. I just could not pass it up at $2.49. I'm sure it's a spinning drive. Well, it's a terabyte drive, and it's a Toshiba. It uses that stupid cable, but I have, I think, two of those. Um, I'd like to pop it open. Oh, look right there. And we kind of heard something rattling in it, so I want to open it real quick. All right, let's get the camera over here and see if we can just pop this thing open carefully. I'm going to use a guitar pick. They're really easy to damage. Where is my guitar pick? Okay, we got a couple different ones here. The old Guitar Center picks, where they used to put their phone number on them. Well, maybe this one doesn't have that. Okay. So you can see it's partially popped open right here. Let's try a bass guitar pick. Maybe that might work a little better. Maybe not. Does not want to open. There we go. This is really not good to do with screwdrivers nowadays. And a lot of the laptops are really bad. I can see there's a tab right here. So there's going to be another tab right there. Let's see if I can get to that. There we go. We got to that tab. There's going to be probably another one. Yeah. There's some tabs in the middle here. We just dropped the guitar pick in there. So if you just push on that right there, I guess... Oh, I just broke it. Lovely. Push on it. You break it. And it's not an SSD. Jesse thought maybe it was. I said, no, it's got to be a regular spinning drive. We managed to break just about half of them. That one there is broken. Honestly, you could just take this drive out of here and just put it in something. I mean, if you needed portable drive, this is old. 2013. So when this came out, this was expensive. I don't see the size written on the drive. Toshiba disk drive MQ01. I mean, I'm just kind of curious because I think somebody else already opened it up before. And so that's why we were hearing something floating in there. I think it's possibly... Oh, boy. Oh, wow. You can't even use this. Shit. This is garbage. Yeah. So, here's a piece of rubber right here. So, yeah, this is how this one comes. Nothing you can do. Interesting. Alright, let's get this thing back together. With all its broken tabs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. I didn't know any better. So what I'm trying to do, push it back in a way that I'm not going to break what's left. But I think somebody else opened it up before. Because it was bulged already. But now it's really bad. Alright. Nothing you can do about that.